My project, the full name, I would characterize it as discovering the potential of epiphragmin, which is the key protein of snail mucus. Snail mucus has been widely used for cosmetic research, and also it has some anti-tumor and anti-metastatic effect, which is under active study and research. People have been directly throwing raw mucin into cancer cells. You see them metastasizing slower, and also the viability of these cancer cells dropped. But they haven't actually tried to discover the molecular mechanism on how epiphragmin works to achieve this effect. So the goal for our snail epiphragmin project is to find a way to synthetically produce our protein of interest, and therefore we can engineer it to be a stronger drug or a more useful substance.
If you're working with a natural form of epiphragmin, you will still need to purify it, which is a large lab protocol to do. If they're doing it cruelty-free, they need to let the snail crawl on a certain surface and collect, which is very slow. In our case, if we can directly make it and we can streamline this protocol, then maybe it only takes 3 hours to get the same amount, the same yield as the protocol they used before.
We believe snail mucus really has a lot of potential, both in cosmetic research and also the biomedical field. So if we can find the best way to synthetically produce this in a lab, we would more than love to make our discovery into really useful real-world applications.
The student initiative funds we received help us to purchase necessary ingredients and chemicals for our experiments.
Sustainable funding is really useful because we might take a lot of trial and error to actually get our protein successfully produced. But once this is being done, we can spend more time, more effort, and discover how can we make it into an effective cancer drug? How can we make it into a powerful skin product? Or how can you make it into an adhesive superglue?
I am really looking forward to transforming it into an actual product, or at least a streamlined protocol to help people in everyday life or in a hospital setting.
We are really excited that we can use these results to continue to acquire future fundings and eventually turn our project into a larger thing that impacts humanity and make the world better.